Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. LoanCenter, LoanCenter.com, is a direct mortgage lender offering a variety of home loan options. Their website highlights several key products, including purchase loans, refinance loans, and reverse mortgages. Potential borrowers can explore different loan programs, such as FHA, VA, and conventional loans, catering to a range of individual needs and circumstances. LoanCenter emphasizes a streamlined application process and provides resources, like calculators and educational materials, to help guide users through the mortgage journey. They also highlight their commitment to personalized service, aiming to provide tailored solutions for each client. While exploring their website, I found information about their various locations and contact information, making it easy to connect with a representative. They appear to place a strong focus on transparency and aim to empower borrowers with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions regarding their home financing. It's worth noting that the site features testimonials and reviews, offering potential clients insights from past borrowers' experiences. Furthermore, LoanCenter provides details regarding their licensing and accreditations, enhancing their credibility. While I haven't personally used their services, based on my research, they seem to offer a comprehensive platform for exploring and securing a home loan. Remember to always do your own thorough research and compare offers from multiple lenders before making any financial decisions. Choosing a mortgage is a significant step, so it's crucial to find the right fit for your individual needs and financial situation. Be sure to carefully review all terms and conditions before committing to a loan. LoanCenter.com can be a valuable starting point in your search for the right home financing solution. They offer a range of tools and resources designed to simplify the mortgage process, from initial inquiry to closing. Exploring their website and engaging with their representatives can provide you with a clearer understanding of their offerings and determine if they align with your requirements. Finally, remember to always prioritize responsible borrowing and ensure you are comfortable with the terms of any loan agreement before proceeding.